This E-textile is a swampy, froggy fungi extravaganza. It's a fascinator. It all started with a frog named Abe. I've never sewn anything before, except little fixes, little buttons, things like that. This is my first major sewing project. I started with pipe cleaners, thinking that I wanted my frog to be posable. My frog is going to sit atop a Fascinator hat, surrounded by mushrooms and dead leaves and other things that you might find in a swamp. He's the centerpiece of my hat, and I spent a lot of my time making this little frog. I ended up calling him Abe after Abe's Odyssey, that PS1 game. I don't know if anyone played that, but something about my clumsy stitching reminded me of Abe from that video game from my childhood. And here he is, where he started and where he ended up. He has a crooked little smile, he's pretty posable, and he looks like a frog. I was pretty proud of him. Next came the base of my hat. I'm cutting out lichen. There are going to be layers of it. I'm posing my little mushrooms, figuring out where everything is going to go before I sew everything on. Testing the program, it works. Setting everything up. Excited that it glowed so brightly. I used a privacy window film as the stems of the mushrooms, and it really did some interesting things with the light. I was really excited about how glowy my mushrooms came out to be. I'm gluing down some leaves to finish up the swampy look. And now I'm adding little paper roses, just to make it feel more delicate. Here I'm taking off a little felt patch and replacing it with a little log where I'll put a portable charger, just in case I'm out and about for a good long while and my battery runs out. I'll be able to charge it inside this little log, conveniently hidden. Velcro's on, and Abe the frog sits on top. This is what it looks like. 2 red mushrooms, a green mushroom, a blue, and then in the middle, all kinds of patterns. When I press a button, a little frog croaking sound comes out. It's very faint and I couldn't get it on video, but there's a frog croaking sound and a little light pattern that goes with it. And this is what it looks like on. It attaches with 2 hair clips, and it's actually really lightweight. I had a lot of fun making this project. I love how ridiculous this hat is. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you for your time.